To fit these spotlights, you'll need a light fitting. We're using a KSR Firebrake QR10. The driver cover, 1mm twin and earth cable stripper or cutters, and some pre-cut earth cable sleeves. We're demonstrating with some spare lengths of cable, but yours will be coming through the ceiling or the wall. Start by stripping around 40mm of rubber sleeve from your twin and earth cable without damaging the inner core. Slide a pre-cut earth sleeve onto the bare earth wire. It should be around 15 to 20mm long. Trim the ends of all 3 wires, leaving around 5mm of bare earth wire. Then strip the rubber sleeve away from both the live, brown, and neutral, blue wires. Your driver has 6 connecting points, marked live, earth, and neutral. Insert the wire ends into the corresponding ports. The rubber sheath on the cable should sit inside the end of the driver. Repeat the cutting, stripping, and sleeving process for the second twin and earth cable, and then insert the wire ends into the 3 remaining ports on the driver. The driver cover then clips onto the driver box, with the 2 cables gripped by the cover as it snaps on. The other end of the driver has a wire with a clip on the end. This attaches to the LED light cable. We can now push the driver into the ceiling or wall hole and tuck the cables out of the way while the light fitting pushes securely into the hole. You can then add your faceplates once the ceiling has been painted.